online class grade 5 in which we have to do whole numbers and expression unit number 1 exercise 1C. So all the students open your book page number 16 in which we have to do today lecture question number 4 and 5. So all the students give attention and let me start our today lecture. Question number 4, multiply the following number by 10. They say that the numbers to be given in your given following, you are only multiply by its 10. So the part number A is equal to 10,532. In a statement they say that multiply by 10. So 10,532 multiply by 10. So you know that you have firstly multiply first number, then multiply by second number, and then you have add these both values. Okay. So 0 2 is 0, 0 3 is 0, 0 5 is 0, 0 0 is 0, and 0 1 is 0. Because that when you have multiply any number with 0, the value always equal to 0. Then you have a rule to have multiplication sign into a given below of a first value. Write a multiplication sign below to the first value. Then you have start next multiplication. 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2, 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3, 1 multiplied by 5, 1 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. So students, you know that when you do multiplication, you always write your values below to the values. Not to be a right like, because if you have to match into the question to be a wrong. So when you write a next multiplication, we remember that write your values to given below and extra amount to your left side. So the value has to be added. Firstly we have to both multiply this number, then we have add this value. 0, 2, 3, 5, 0, 1. So the value is make 105,320. Next question 93,500 multiplied by 10. Repeat this. When you have multiplied this, all numbers is 0. They have all numbers are 0. 0 0 is 0, 0 0 is 0, 5 is 0, 0 3 is 0, and 0 9 is 0. Then to according to the rule multiplication sign to a first value. Then you have start next multiplication. 1 0 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 5 is 5, 1 3 is 3, and 1 9 is 9. Next after that you have add the both values 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, and 9 as it is 9. That's the value is make 985,000. So next question number 5, multiply the following number by 100. 45,018 multiplied by 100. So students, you know that when you have a multiply by 100, because that they say that in a statement multiply this following values to 100. So 45,018 multiplied by 100, 8 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 0 0 is 0, 0 5 is 0, and 0 4 is 0. According to the rule, in a first multiplication, after to have a do second multiplication, firstly put your sign of multiplication below to the first value. Next to have to do next multiplication number 0, 8 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 0 0 is 0, 0 5 is 0, and 0 4 is 0. Because when you have multiply any number with 0, the answer is equal to 0. Then when you have to third multiplication, you have mostly put your two multiplications sign below to the first right two values. First right two values 1 and 2. Put a multiplication sign below that. Then you write 8 1 is 8, 1 1 is 1, 1 0 is 0, 1 5 is 5, and 1 4 is 4. After to the three values multiplication, you have all these values to be added. When you have 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 0, 8, 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 5 is equal to 5, and 4 is equal to 4. So the value is made 4,501,800. Okay. So the last question is of your topic 64,132 multiplied by 100. So follow to this pattern. When you have multiplied this all five numbers is equal to the 0. Next you have to put your multiplication sign when you do second multiplication. So 0 0 is 0 because that all the values 0, because when you have multiplied by 0, the all values to be 0. Next 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2, 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3, 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4, and 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. When you have two third multiplication, you put the two multiplication sign below to the right first two values. totals mean addition of all values. After that, the answer is known as the products of your multiplication. The answer is a product. It's a multiplier and it's a multiplicand. That number is to use to multiply is called a multiplicand, and that's the number to be multiplied by the multiply is called a multiplier. So all the students do your